This is the National Weather Service in Valley, Nebraska. The preceding audio signals and alarm tones were a test of NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is then postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This alerts you that an emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available commercially. The emergency alert system codes and alarm tones are used by weather warnings and emergency messages for 51 counties in eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, plus Washington, Marshall, Nemaha, Brown, and Donovan counties in northeast Kansas, as well as Holt and Atchison counties in northwestern Missouri. Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Well, there you have it. And the clock's wrong, so I need to fix that. I don't know why I was turning off there for just a little bit, but there you go. That's the first test of the National EAS Test Day. Now it's time to get Topeka at around noon. Hopefully we can try to get that. I'm going to try to get that, and after that, the National EAS Test. That's going to be... I cannot wait for it. Alright, guess that will do. Alright guys, you know what time it is. An hour and 20 minutes. In an hour and 20 minutes, the National EAS Test of 2021. Let's get it. Alright guys, it's almost time. As you can see, I have 106.3 and 88.1 on. I just have 2 radios today because I'm at my dad's, so I only have 2 today. So hopefully I can catch most tests as I can today, unless if all of them are gonna go off at the same time. But here we go, 20 seconds, 15 seconds until all of the radio stations across the country goes off. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's 1:20. Alright. Okay, it's 1:20. Should be testing here soon. Yeah, I'm gonna look around. 92.3! 92.3! And it was 106.3. What?
National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required. Message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required. The fun. That was a while back.
I think all of them already went off. .3 just relate theirs.
Assure's follow-up team reached out to Jasmine.
All right.
She hadn't gone to the
That was awesome. Hang on. Did Blue Rapids went off twice? Or the Kale also went off? I don't know, I'm gonna have to take a look back. Because I'm not sure. I'm not sure if both Kale and Blue Rapids went off, or Blue Rapids went off twice. I'm gonna have to find out. Wow, what a day of tests today. 3 weekly tests, both from, I think 4 actually, I'm not sure, I'm gonna have to take a look. And today was also the National Periodic Test. What a good day today, what a good day.